See in 100 seconds. Quicksort. Quicksort picks a pivot, partitions the array around it, then sorts both sides recursively. It works in place. No extra array needed. The partition function is the core. Pick the last element as pivot. Walk through the array. Anything smaller than the pivot gets swapped to the front. The variable I tracks where the next small element should go. Every time we find one, bump I and swap. After the loop, put the pivot in its final position. Everything left of it is smaller, everything right is larger. The recursive part. Partition, then sort the left side, then the right side. Base case is when low is no longer less than high. Seven numbers in, 7 numbers sorted. Average O of n log n, in place, and usually faster than merge sort in practice. Next up, dynamic arrays.